Nature and the many ways to perceive it. Most Native Americans personified nature. Trees were like people, animals could talk, and nature was there to help you when needed. According to Ralph Waldo Emerson, only a few people could see nature the way he saw it. No matter how much you stare at the sky, or how closely you look at something, very few people can see the true wonders and beauty of nature. Walt Whitman sees nature as a miracle. As to me, I know of nothing else but miracles. Standing under trees in the woods, or talk by day with anyone I love, or sleep in the bed at night with anyone I love. Everything had some value to him. Stephen Crane, on the other hand, views nature more negatively than the others. Whether you're as famous as him, or as normal as him, nature can and will attack anyone out there.